Hey twin, what's up? It's me, Elise. I'm back with a new video. I hope you guys are all doing well. I pray that the Lord has blessed you guys abundantly. I am back with a new video, and y'all, you can already tell I'm super excited about this one right here. So this wig does come from Arabella. You guys just saw the B-roll. Okay, so this is their new mix all wig. Essentially, you get 4 wigs in one, so it's super cost effective, budget friendly, super versatile. Y'all get into this unit. So this right here is the original, which is pretty much the base unit. You have your standard colored frontal and your standard colored back. So pretty much you can just wear this unit whenever you're feeling plain Jane, and they do give you the ability to switch out the frontal and to switch out the back. Now this right here is the frontal piece. You do notice that you do get the auburn highlighted streaks throughout. It is 6x6, but it is in a middle part position. The knots are pre-bleached, the hairline is pre-plucked, and you do have the pre-cut lace, and it does have the zipper attachment. You also get the back piece is like an add-on. Now this one is a synthetic human hair blend. It's 30 inches long. It has the same highlight streaks as the frontal piece. You do have the zipper, so it essentially gives you the ability to switch out your styles instead of having to purchase a new wig. You do have some goodies that came with the unit as well. So as usual, I like to put my wig on the canvas block and just prep it so that I can wear it freely and I don't have to worry about doing anything later on. So I am just applying a little bit of my edge wax stick. I'm going through it, smoothing everything out using my hot comb. Then I'm going to place a little hair mousse to set the hairline in place. Then I'm going to place an elastic edge band just to hold that all together and wait for it to dry. And yeah, this is what it's now looking like. So this is the next day. The hairline is nice and dry. You do notice there is a bit of a cast, but that will break right off, no worries. Now the lace is a little too light for my skin tone, so I'm going in using my Ebin tinted lace spray in the color medium dark, and I'm spraying out all over the lace so we can get a nice meltable color. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this wig on and see what we're working with. So this is the wig on. It is completely glueless. However, you can use a bit of adhesive to melt everything down. I'm applying a little extra tint spray just because I noticed that it was a little too light. Now this frontal is pre-cut, but you can trim off more of that lace. So now I just applied my edge band. Gonna get everything to just kind of melt down, though I didn't use any adhesives or anything like that. I'm just going through the hair with my hot comb to get rid of any creases. So after going through the hair using my hot comb and my flat iron, I took off my edge band and the lace is still light. Like y'all, I really tried my hardest, but I'm gonna pop some powder around the lace to tone that down just a bit. Gonna pop some powder in the parting space to get that part to pop. And then y'all get into this hair. Y'all, this hair is A1. Like, it's so soft, it's so silky, no tangles, no snags. I got absolutely no shedding. The hair is all the way on point. Now y'all, I just struggled with the lace. Now once again, there is an excessive amount of lace left over that you can just quickly trim off. And if you do have like a fabric dye, you can definitely dye the lace to get it to match your skin tone perfectly. I have plenty of videos showing you guys how I use fabric dye in order to tint the lace. However, you guys get into this hair, the movement, the swing, it hits like right around my hip area, super long. And once again, this is 4 wigs in one. I'm going to show you guys 2 different styles. First, this is the original look, just the standard natural black color. You guys do get a ton of parting space. You have tons of space to reposition the part into a side part. You can even get rid of the part altogether. There's endless possibilities, y'all. This unit is definitely revolutionary, a game changer. Y'all got to get your hands on this, especially if you want to save some money. No need to buy all these wigs when you have 4 in 1. So I am going to switch out the frontal piece as well as the back piece. You guys do notice that you have that 6 by 6 inch lace. I'm going to spray it down using more of my Ebin lace tint spray. Going to snatch that wig right off, and then we're going to go ahead and switch up this style. So I'm using the frontal piece as well as the back piece. You guys see you do have that bra strap hook as well as the zipper, and it zips on so easily, y'all. Go ahead and zip that right up, making sure that you don't catch any of the hair, because that can definitely break the zipper. You don't want that. So be very careful, take your time when zipping it up. So I'm going to go ahead and place this wig on, and once again, this is a pre-cut lace. You don't need all that extra lace though. You can definitely trim that back. I am spraying some more of that tint spray, and I decided to grab a darker one and spray that on as well. It's still a little too light, y'all. I really did try. But I am placing a little bit of that Eco Styler gel just to smooth the hair back and expose that beautiful natural hairline. Then I decided, hey y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and just trim back that lace, because I found that it's just too much lace left over. You don't really need it. I'm going to place my edge band on and get everything to just melt down, and we're going to do the same thing, applying some of my wax stick, going through it with the hot comb and then the flat iron. Be very careful though, because the back portion of this unit is a synthetic hair blend, so therefore you don't want to melt it. I would advise you guys to use a heat setting no more than 400 degrees to save the integrity of the hair. So here is the next look. Now I did use the highlighted streaked frontal piece as well as the highlighted streaked back piece, and you guys can see how this one looks. The hair, once again, super soft. Definitely take care of the synthetic blend backing. Once again, not to use too hot of a flat iron, and if you can avoid it altogether, I would highly recommend that. The hair, once again, is super soft. You guys can see the subtle color. It's super subtle, not too bold. You guys can see the very natural looking hairline. Now I just decided to pull out just a little baby hairs just to kind of give you guys a different look, and it really does help camouflage the light lace left over. So if you guys do like baby hairs, definitely add some to the unit. You have tons of lace, but you guys definitely let me know which style you guys prefer the most. I am here for the natural black color all the way. You guys check out Arabella. I have all the details and information located in the description box below. You guys let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Have a blessed one. Bye y'all.